No, so thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
The question again.
Yeah, make high by the deal. Make high by the deal. That's true. Was it? Thank you. Please the question again. I said, we need the dialogue. Thank you. One tea, I didn't who can take you. I did. We didn't patch on now. Who are you?
Now, go on to me. Who are you?
And then I say, Ade Akye Abia. Ade Akye Abia for God and country.
For God and country.
The TB opening obey. I did the TBA also. They are banaba. You are just a messenger. To say a bono, I made a flood in Sumana. One woman delivery here, no. That will say to interview the same man. I now they can't was saying of any. That message in the was on point. Since we be fire, so be yiri. And I be yiri. Now all the Ake can't say we know.
Serious.
The Ake can't we know. So deliver the message. Yeah.
Well, now I think said the Ghana Meteorological Agency kinda Enra and then they almost say expect to say Wimbe. You expect to say Wimbe find out we be high and then expect to say and then so yeah,
but you check a cry.
Not Thursday.
Yeah, Sasha Siaki Canada. Easy penny.
Technically, baby, okay, my
yes.
Technically. Now, who say I take it 1 2 did ya? I take it 1 2. What do I say? There's a way.
I just before you did
you be just what you bet on one or watch you. So for bow pebet is over.
Are they over?
Me come up a
party. Or the minka.
Me come up a party. What? Crack it to up a bet is we every so.
Like I said, to now, you see, I was who said, we were.
That was a work is where track or two was only one year said it. When you cried,
and more than catch you. Rather, and
is so a funko for.
So a funko for.
Is so a funko
for, and soon so be funko for.
Is so a funko for.
How many about for?
Yay! I'm a humble African.
Yeah, very fine.
Some things are meant for men only.
I think opening me, we are permitting me. What I mean, you didn't quite that me do my phone.
Ready
now. Enough from. It's not easy. It is what it is.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. And
yeah. Bohambo African ni bi mami. Bohambo African na. Ebi msa mami na. Mengi kanyo mensie ni na membra na afemi hu sedi enyoma ebesi akọ. Bohambo African. NJA. Ghana Union of Traders Association, Association of Ghana Industry, and so any NJA. How are utility no? I see akosho. One, and when we say the fact of the matter, they say indicators and economic indicators no. Ewo in a position yen city to your major trading currency na ahoɔden wo ho maka cho say eneye 1st July fuo no ebeba fom fuo ebeba fom na no kwasem pa ewo mu ne say utility ade affect obia utility ade affect obia wasasi so enti say yenya tumu pe affect obia directly directly. And such major decisions, a Public Utility Regulatory Commission. Our moya regulator no. At least they should consult the GUTA and AGI Titiri Association of Ghana Industry. I was shocked and surprised. Say, Omba Abantebeka said they were not consulted. I was very surprised. And then stakeholders meeting I can in there and any say that stakeholders meet every time. You can say there should be a stakeholders consultation, stakeholders meeting, and some just a brofo kekenombe. And to me, it is shocking. It is very, very, very shocking. Set me and I made this as a way. Because how? And the current PRC boss, Dr. Shafiq Suleiman, who have been a lecturer for very long time, will name all the situation when it comes to economy and taking such a major decision as executive secretary of the Public Utility Regulatory Commission. Did not consult Association of Ghana Industry, at least for their input. Their decision cannot finalize it, but their decision also brings certain kind of. Was America akwa down? Kakwa da. Enti dia nkofo kra ka se efri na anom adwoada. Ene enra ebenada. More accessibility about access na jami ni nyina na mo bo mpese ye turn first na intumu ne ba. But we tried and tried and tried ye nyam and ebna denra ye try ye nyam afi de om ka che de se e nso ne to nkran no. And the 1st July enra nwumre om ka sa abakra na accessibility obre. I don't pay them Timmy Toma company. So sometimes we ask ourselves, say, yes, there's nothing wrong when you come clear. Decision that, as the regulator, a decision affected Ghana, and the Dr. Shafiq, respectfully, you are doing a lot of things. Oh, PRC, the dynamics, things are changing. But in your pay say, your stakeholders consultation and son you finalize it. You finalize what we call it. Your decision, major decision on increment of tariff. Or by public engagement, you Marco engage public. We were applauding you. But surprisingly, Ade Akye and the AGI is complaining, GUTA is complaining, citizens are complaining. Our input, say, at least you should have representative from the AGI. The Ghana Muntimin told for your input, at least involve the Association of Ghana Industries. involve Guta. If not Guta, AGI there, they should be there. It takes nothing from the PRC. Say about proper stakeholders consult. It will take nothing from them. And you ma power shasi and making enko baby o. Dr. Shafik. And you ma power shasi no. Baby as say you ma dan enye. And say idea mo betum. Because you gave us reason, though some of us the reason are more man. And the percentage are more buy no. It doesn't make economic sense. Moi so ba jatum say the taxes are added to 1 Ghana on fuel no. Etimetria most of the IPP ne eka. So at least here was unje kakra ho, though there's more room for improvement. Say ya idea we ya na AGI as a stakeholder but now so at least representing the industry, sir. I would have done more good. Because I understand, sir, the amount of money, say $92 million that we need. And I know in your interview say we need to survive as a nation. We understand that. But Ade Akye a major challenge I always have with PRC in say utility bodies no be catch them say they need money for operational cost, for operational purposes. I say omuntimi emma yenkania. Mo so mo dwen Ghana for pa. Say yentimi nasum. We need it for our industries, we need it for our households, we need it for a lot of stuff. And what as a regulator mo be say you find an amicable solution to it. You have to get an amicable solution to it. And a femo be a percentage and you're outrageous. You are doing what as a regulator you need to do. But as a regulator, enkawa utilities one be kauma bro for ya enkawa ediana makaniba because me tomo na ma ye da sen ba ko mi said da sen ba ko no operational cost and I say edema me de edi nyina 1,000 Ghana cedis a mentete money nyo was 1,000 2,005. Then so your utility companies no the edeba move from Greco beba via rebeba babedro mu ho no say 1,000 and also mu to nya fa so 1,500 on be no manya 700. Such shortfall they are not even able to break even. That difference no efa o ma ba no ma break even. It is that difference na kana da be ekam no e wo hin. So if you omunya 1,001 no omunya 1,005 still o ma boka. Te maybe ana utilities na kada omadim. E de na ya afa ho. E de na ya afa sa de no because da bia e kakam. Da bia aduane a ECG for kane omude kwa aton no. Omuko ton wa sike wo se be ma. Sike wo se ba aho na wo se yehwehwe mu yi. One or the car in their books, so my be bad debt or whatsoever, or more we be illegally or movia. Say ya advance it, there be a utilities number so says I and your more advance it, especially when it comes to meter. And to meter temporary no a conform because they say no, oh yeah, error be guso. Obi a meter now trim be no what's the error because say omo and sa no ma ye Tokyo say then and sa na aba. At the tempering of meter and easy to say caneno. But still people are passing corners to so mbeye di umbeye. So it's just worrying. But I mean komo wemra. Na many bra something in komo bra some wa so something that die. And in charge of research. Kopek. Director in charge of monitoring and research, Emma Kopek. But I'm going to pay my chair. The bomb called here. oba de adom ye nso ye ho ye pa we dey na say ne nse aja komo aya da bia oboye ne ma fu abu okoso de ma ne ba fom recently na ye hu say indicators no same something a che say dollar no ahoɔden ne ade but for time na ne enjoy stability say your dollar na ahoɔden ne nye bad sa yo ma ne hu say fu ne atum o ma na say about fluctuations no this time round is it still based on perimeters na they be indicate as on no say anyoma miensa dollar ka ho world market ka ho any ade does it still based on that?
Yes, the major cause of that say you too man say better so.
Okay. Now then where does Street of Hormuz in Bemu?
Strait of Hormuz no Bemu because of supply issue.
Okay.
Because Middle East no mono MI about 20 to 25% of world supply of crude here. Our German so I require you have to need that one. The Hona Etaba. Now, a kind of professional, na the Pacific Ocean, na about European Asia. Sa hockey to a sort of promotional. A Hona Nina, Efa, Unti have a beer from Africa. It's a 2 million na ama a year about 20% and 25% of a year supply to free a year maybe is Ibano. Ya close in the Cajon. And if you now a demand and a supply so now ama a bonnet Macoso.
Anra, you're coming across a story from Mohona Nyaji, sir, from a net which is 1st July. You say prices no about dropping. Sanity and the influence way.
Yes, and the first pricing window for the month of July no air shot here. Now, also a year review now a year petrol, diesel, and a gas now better by 9 to 12%.
9 to 12%.
Yes.
Both petrol and diesel.
Yeah, both petrol, diesel, and gas.
Hey, and yet now something let's say as one.
Yeah, so far also on the average, you know, a year petrol, no, a bit me about 12 cedis, 79 pesos per liter.
Wow.
Now, this is about 13 cedis, a year 54 pesos per liter. Now, gas about 90 cedis per kilogram.
Hey, anyway, the above for more.
Yes,
especially diesel, no.
Yeah, diesel next to 15 cedis. A year 95 pesos now, about 30 cedis, 54 pesos per liter.
Ah, we would demand in Taman can come on for filling generating. Come filling there's something we're probably. But how sustainable is this?
Okay.
How sustainable is this? You bet my sustain your check a.
Oh yes, so far now a year and Tafabi accident in one of Manasa, a year geopolitics in one of no. Idea a bit to me at Accra and look at Osha after this no 2 weeks time I better for chicken price window no. I like you said board let Masaba from Accra because Osha price I we no reduction now from 90 a year $7 per barrel and I do $78 every year but I'm a fair crown a barrel will do 71. It's about 2 weeks time you do 68. $95 dollar so idea over the last 2 weeks no.
Yeah.
If free 11 cedis 88 pesos to the dollar no about 11 cedis 40 pesos to the dollar and only say but when the bit credit fast about 10 it's about the next price window so no a year reduction kakra bit matter about the home and I buy so it's as a policy for the first time our year in history no you could not you to know yeah the bema yeah local yeah refineries no not my refinery yeah capable be no woman it is a yeah refinery except yeah ko top am will be free yeah a German so ember the German so no and na dey be determine your price no again fair into kwabisi so dey be 200 more am na bona question no eh answer clear and na dey yeah ko form so no amana nso se photo a ye tɔn ɛyɛ kun na aya na ikai nya no wɔ fam na ye refine na se ye rekwa e the first finish product na aya na ebu edu enti within kind over the last 2 weeks ama Central oil refinery private refinery no omo 1 million barrels ɛyɛ amona ne a so so bi odo mo so July so o matter so bi ɛyɛ 1 million na omo so anane no so beto aso so bi bia no ye de be mo so bi mo sa na eno che se ɛyɛ eboa ye tofa ngaka ba fam kakra ka ho na ye senior sustain because the two family to be food that na ye ba ɛyɛ tema ya be nane enya ati ne de kwa ɛyɛ amonone nya fa nane nya tɔbia ba etu hwɛ indiki ya say ɛkwa amonone distance wom ɛyɛ ye ba die preacher say the first ship cost no na say ya ship cost no ɛne insurance ne no makaka ka be ka ho nyina no ebe fiso ɛno so fiso ana na ɛbo no so ɛba from the mayer eti ɛyɛ de no say the do so that they ba ha ya na no so a ye be ka in sibisa ka no be abo the price that kuna here so it make na hot pa online say na you depend on the international market in tisa internet is an asset policy about their brain so which means to us and I say oyena sa dia then you benya stability a poor price I bit much maybe 6 months for another more than 3 months in kwano bit much price ba ku sa dia be boy
wow it is our refinery talk fully operational especially yetoi.
Yes, so you say fully operational. They are almost near a crew. Now, cruise, you know, na antanse bi na a crab di ba mu kan ke Asia and na di momo na see aban se da di onwa e be take over di ye two ye dia no from Jubilee Food no near dia bro mo na Central Oil Refinery no so ye private refinery na mo so de maka so see aban di obo kan ho no we na me two reasons. One, so quantity supply fa ngudu ayi nya wo memu because store no 45,000 barrels per day. And as the few oil refinery no or my fish one from your fish to the fish one so my and also 40,000 barrels per day to kabuma 85 no there a bit me aswe and at the year sport no so no also a bit my year and then two a competition between them because obu na beton your local market the ton local market be a wa wo a yan na mabeton the another ma a bonus job from because no better the year from say this was the year from the year of more business no beton na omatimi anya na for na so e dey mayen it say dey na you who say god and star oil na competition wo muntam witness sai so e bitan you can there after go kwa say over time na sama breakfast aka ho that competition no ba abeboa ama e body to perform ama ya.
Wow, this is healthy a good news the more industry the abasia say na mo fa because ya na e chin say o mo so kraba no ko basa no music ya bombu ni ade
we ya sema ya tatia na afi na nse nyakopon wati yene ama sadi we ba because omaya ye tufango na ye wo refinery on sama oil refinery ni aduma no ye kamomi yenye na yintimi enam ye fango no ha say instead of ya one a friends energy security international geopolitics we be so no ma Sambia no akose agama so boro na ekere yenye nti Trump pese ewiase hotre ya na omote ye ntokwa ba na se bo na kwosoro agency tam to ko ibaye dangote ye kanipa nko pese to ko nke traba for dangote that hwe sikapa we tam to ko because ebaye no Nigeria omomutu fa hu ni bi omotu to be 4 million barrels a day and I say omunya be 1.5 million a day na on so the refine refine 600,000 barrels per day. It you won't say Europe ever saw a jet cool a petrol diesel no mean na the card for in export at the buya na airport. It actually share the in the year to after that because better me after export to be acquired a landlocked countries Burkina Mali and in there or more money border because I money port Burkina Ethiopia of crowd farm or the fact I Ghana tema na omukas na the fako it this time crowd here in kai obokoto e dey free from better fuel because here we could no we anan na yaton bi e dey ampomo na pe ama ye to no ye biem tentu so mu biem na ye fa ye anipa be adwuma e be kete adwuma be so ama because by product of refinery na bi ye bitumen you can quota no so all na we are accept people and be a quota kwan ye kan sa the big pushy ye ko krakota ya from amanya be ke betun be wase a fo a be ya kamo ye betun na ya insecticide the tun ye betun na fertilizer tun plastic materials and a residual food and it's very good for industry and nobody be kan wa tani many na say ye ma refine na ye tuma a surplus ake classical class animal we na ba no ye be yan ni na so ade
ye dia ho abroache
o wa aya o just say sadi we na hon ma different bi o mai no mai no akune ni musu no ye ni ye ti ayenye to ya kan wa se ni in 2024 academic year turn best 24 million you see this kind but you MD buy sika na dey ye say the turn no chance no na ye the rent amount for o fan sama ne ba na de gun watua that sika no ka bo ma what me dey ye to apa itibia na asiya no etin aye amana aye adwuma eti course be ye 7 years be na for enya adwuma na extend dia aya me to mass because who say that aye your adwuma no e ka wo pa anti aya na your support because the craft and wo if I want to ba di say ye gana so ye na say ya na ono ka ta ko bibina e be fanu for that party to korea ya me pe minister me pe we ma me ko so na me ka no fa wo no ma me be ya mo de na mu ndai da bo ya e be send business and na ko so ana ye ho e tre mo
I don't pay Mammy Nasi pa something na next time ya mo mani mrantem na me feel me yi plant here ma mo kasa ma cha bra me dasi be pray something director in charge of research and monitoring pricing research and monitoring Emma Kupek I don't pay petrol homes and some no I'm just being flabbergasted. I am just perplexed. Me who family like why? Hey, dear, what bro? You are spontaneously fascinated. And it is because Kwame. Now I don't pay call. Yeah, ha. You know, on Debia Mekase. No matter what, and Krumanya Misha.
Yes.
Kwame Krumanya Misha. Satama and Kroma de Tama oil refinery buy. Nagane and disco, dear and so diacra say, you be too oil ha.
Yeah.
And you set it up Tama oil refinery. Yeah. And then there's some Nayake.
Sure.
And yachina wa ma dear ne rusty. Yes, he nyesika nye to no. Kwame, it's one day. Hey, it's one day.
Kwame to no. Say ye adwuma. Sika be fa ba bia be wura ye botom no.
Emma.
Ye nya.
Emma.
Akoye say on the fuel ya transport we already free in crime. Sa besin ko tamani.
From bus for no.
Yeah, and me carry the last time be me no see ampenifo.
Yes.
Ni dim komo no mo kire sentia. Implementation of sa underground transfer of fuel into me any year because we be feel say but the convenient way ne senke de be fa from nanka sa aka sa kesi yi ai ne nam ye kwan so akwa me say na bi tumi pai na ehye na kuni pa ho bi no nanka etu atwa but obi hu ne say si eja ne sa eno ya simple way a ebetumi a transport eno ya simple way a ebetumi a save life eno ya simple way a ya kwan no betumi a chama ye ebe save scan so but ono misika we be dinti no enfant no mafia works ni ebebo so that is the reason sometimes solution no ho but no ko feel na e benya de agu ye bottom yanko ye bottom nti system na be boa ye nyina no ye mpere ma ye nko so da ye be dwene ye nko ye ho kwa ye be fa so betumi aho do sa sika na de ama ye ho at the expense of the whole country no
on fa ho kra
do ye say do ye yes
Yama Muna Maba
wasn't Canada. Canada, Kwame sa tankers kakrakaya do nam kwanso na chip traffic. Ukudu swami run about that is corner biako. Can you na swati?
I mean serious.
Very serious. Abro ni bayi ene yeye. Abro ni bayi. Because kwasimbro ni suro bibini onim se bibini adwire da bibini trim so kaso de ya de pa. Obeya asere de bebre. But bibini aye ho se abro ni bayi nti. Abro ni bayi. Se obema adena koyi akotote. Ono nko ne pese be nkomiya. Ono nko ne yedie. Ono nko ne selfish interest. Enti ene system ne yempre.
Yamani
yejuma.
Na
yamani nyeyi.
Emre na yehia ne mpemfo ne kasa. Na ebuso mu se enti die na ma to no emfanshi. Arum ka che se to. Why ye ne bi afidi ane board ya wakoto abehye mu.
Yes.
Say be operational no.
Engineers ni bi se oy cartel no wo sika. Yes.
Ebi engineer no oba be installation ya ma no ebia $50,000.
Yes.
Na cartel na ka chense krachi. Ya be ma $200,000.
200 bi o ko ye doboro ana say ye triple no.
Say 50,000 na 200,000 ya triple ade.
Yes.
Ento mo kasa o se ade na menye.
Ti abeno se numbers e wo so boshim no.
E boshim no.
No asesa no.
Na wa se bia heat na also many drew e bia 30 degrees Celsius.
No raising that 45.
Raising and nam 900
there. Titan be machine
na breaki
na o minus here boka nti yenyu su bi and so now
they would discourage every president of
Yes.
See obia bebe discourage you.
Yeah, because one tia say senti amfidi ane board dey bia say na o my boka
now they be request this guy now a cabinet na ajiska obia bembo
enti abai na fed up.
It's a me I can't just all toys machine. What say machines now?
Yes, papa. But almost operating
deliberately. No,
I said because of that form cartel.
Example of the Maya, but I will not mention the farm needing.
Yes.
And maybe drew chroma or Atana chroma chebia in the 90s. No, a Kaisa sim. Said there was a company Kwame bank cocoa supplier no bianche wom
da bida
bianche wom
jira o na so
e dru baby no incubator o ye de hache nkosua no e ma ne be ye nkokoma no o we o ma dwen so sa dia ye be yi engineers na di workers na di. Do you know what they did? O mo di o mo ya ne se incubator ni hia heat bia bebe 50 degrees Celsius. Omukom no mu bia nyina na kodru 100 degrees Celsius.
Yes.
Enti ade achi omu ba ya omu kwa kwehwe se kokoma no samre ya pai do mu ya. Na nyina dan kosu aya no a. Omamu
ni nyina aben.
Ni nyina aben ahye kosu
ya. I ready to chop.
Tigara
bibini.
Ya dwen nye.
Dabi.
Obi on ma or filling station Kwame. Aba no first then no kerosene boy dey no.
Yes.
No more bu kerosene, no kerosene is subsidized because of that time they use lantern no. Yedi gum bobo e won to aduane nyina yedi gum so no. Na ne bo ofo che bibia. But ko bi need tenasia se petrol diesel because a bank ne door so no e so many liters no. Na wo bu kerosene bi no dia fra. Because I dogs into the guma or the certain amount of guma and say no more the kerosene a gum because kerosene a cheaper. John knows to know what's raising the prices of kerosene. Because nipper be deliberately yet bambosam mambosam yet tifu were so pet. The entire I color wofu and fuel and any color.
Yes.
But I was a channel soon was a gun of fuel. Oza Burkina Faso offer Techman Kwani so omu trooping in and out. Techman Kwani so omu befa fuel tankers na so sa e dey unam so one county crabet ma county 80.
Yes, and so okay so what the way so kan oh abebi asafo water tankers no call demonstration no say ye pebribi meter bi dia a sheka ni mu na se car no ko gina bi okoso ebu fo ba bi tracker yetumi a che no ne nasefo no kwan ya nipa sa fa so
so
ebo adi tubu ye say adi amana function yie no
eye ade a ebo mu ho akire
easy
because say you say tanker no say wutu free yard mu na so o de ba Sompa tracker ne behwe wa ugina ye hu se
we gina
o paya ye be hu
minutes do a wo de gina so ye be
enti saade a ye be demonstration
ane
so mu hwe tanker
because o ko duru ba bia fuel no ye be discharge bia go ba
yes e bi fa ba bi
because we gina no discharge on the yes
no ma ton no ma ya so
nipa bro nipa
adwene no baba be do no obu mfnama
nipa adwene no
ya dwenye
nti fuel station be bokatan bia.
You see, and so the OMCs were complaining always. So but look at this. Yeah. It's not only the fuel and Nkwampo. Debi amikase. Shedango tenku nipa bako. Over 600,000 barrels, as I say, a day. Tema 45. Private man need now. Private company need 40. That is phase 1.
Yes.
I learned they are open about 3 phases. Phase 1 no quite 40, which is close to Tamadiano, close to Tamoyo refinery. And couldn't be a young be Papa Bianca. Thanks, was a Yankaya refining for na. Nanki had your goom. Naka ye yinika cracker crabam. Thanks, and they are the high individuals on conform for a bomb storage facility. No matter store a womb. Near John Bibi kitty. Hwe nyansa ebe ni patrima e mo man no ekoso hwe nyansa ebe ni patrima e mo man no ediye ana obi bai na osi dabi samusi ye nya sika enye ya me nko cabinet go siriska me nko aban ho nko siriska but say sika na ye jeje wo tank nim sika na fine sika na fine Edmond Combat. No, so no. I know the history that he have. I'm rather acting MD. So no, yenye extensive maintenance and revitalization works. Ala Kwame omude say sikana comfort tank room behind na omude revitalize ye esa maintenance of the oil refinery. Factory and here ba beton fufu. Kongofo bi beton fufu. Kotu abanfo say oto na esio aye white elephant fa so bia ni so yanton no mko ka kira aban na president hwehwem kakra na o se da bi na tibanfo sorry say da bi to ne de yanton ene obi aba abaye to ni ye ama to nyamfa so na satan to na eni sika no satan diskan kakra begada no sikan kakra begada kom de be maintenance of to no na omo pe bia dinti dom de sponsor programs and fast ni so almost sponsor Temoyo refinery no sponsor company was Oboka no sponsor because sponsor 1,000 need your own bet 300 the sponsor 1,000 need your own 300 no but this no move and then it took an intervention of a leader, not just a managing director, a leader to change such trend no. Why not better? So he has to pass through a lot of cartel. Because cartel no far no money. They are so powerful, say. A band be a bar. During election. So they have influence on every abandi or bebebia, both NMPP and NDC. Just like it's Alex said, small scale miners and pure galamsey miners. No? Sometimes almost they play their cards well. And the mass won't forget it. So be baby to galas, no? Because at profit campaign time, too bad. Oh, ya jabra, oh, ba obey. Munya kwasa mo ha boys no. No plan make a chodo. Yen yakwa site. Ya risking lives outside. The best thing they say, me, it's not 9 months. 9 months have grown a moody. I have grown. The best thing they say, yenya adeɛ no nneɛma obia krata enti uwia pet no akata so. That is the most important thing. Uwia no akata so. Yebema meters a homfa main suo no. Akoforo mu say nsuo no kra de Chinese for no. Say Ghana for the ombo mu gina nche no mu washing. Eso mu ne go after them. Then kofo ani nkitinkiti politicians ya na omdo mbado mu gina nsuo mu say no. Masa, munya boys no. Because the true core hardcore guys no actually. What? Eti that is how our we are to good to. And we making sure say to and the to is able to refine 40,000 liters. So 40 million, 40,000 liters a day. A day. And so Kiaton, they are refining here. As I say, you're Tony City Ninti, Abamaya, ye city no, I want the air deno. Because we will not need a lot of dollars to go and buy a year fuel. At least at 10% so. Yanya 2 phase 1 and phase 2 40 45 85. Not bad. At so. The dollar ye ben ya chase that amount of fuel ye here biem. Ti ahode na ba. Aside ahode na ba. Ye wia fertilizer ye ben ya free mu. Vitamin quota ye ben ya free mu. Quota ye crack quota ba me mu. Tamayo find the operation ye benya quota free wo. Private one ye benya quota free. The quota na ye craning now so is in dollars. Fertilizer fertilizer papa wo Ghana say ye ton OCP fertilizer. Ningina ye di frabro chire na eba. That's also ye na say ye nya fertilizer from oil na ya noa you oil na wie no unya quota unya fertilizer unya insecticide ya nyare ana ya si ye mpewe na mom ya first can koto ya $5 koto oil no ya koto bitumen which is quota no ya koto insecticide ya koto and fertilizer
opini no kwasem ne say Ghana ye wo bibia bi ye wo bibia bi ne wo kwansenka ye ho kire ye Ghana ye be ka say we are saying what the center of the world no a bibia bi nyame de dua o man mu ha krumu ha ne wo kwanse ye ho kire ye no ye mbisa ye ho sa dentina still ye ho kire ye bara manfo eba bi hu ne pa wo ha no ma betam e de afiri ha ko. What is wrong with us? What is really wrong with us? Year on. Now we are back. Now we are betiko. Now we are back. Now repeating the whole sa. Yeah, how power penny every day. That is the question I was here beside Jose. Yeah, how on the day. Wabre you will be baby. Nanso ye ho three. Wabre you will be baby. Nanso yen to me yaso emphasis. Yeah, how every day as well mine. That's the basic question I was here beside you. Say to me beside was a question you wie ni enyamu aya. I think say your problems ni nyina nka solve you. Because me nim say me nyimi bi say yenim ya how e wo memu ha say ya how specifically any A and a B. Me not sure. But then the other can say it is because your leaders no fail ti o mu fail the system no so fail and a system no so fail ti memufo na ti memufo so fail ye ne aye ho and ya failure of mine no ye timu na said ye tie and adane because you cannot tell me say obi etumi de all your nko develop ni crew ne mind obi the gold nko develop ni mind obi the cocoa nko develop ni mind obi the one resource natural resource bako pe no dey develop honum no adane ho kama but yen ye will be bi say tourism obi the no nko e develop ni mind how come say ye wasane mayi nyina wo ye memu ha I bet me they develop or buy but still you to be for develop it. What is the cause? What is the cause? What is the reason behind? Or how no any day? And if we don't sit down. And I love the fact that Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say, when flood here by a national issue, national concern, we have to tackle it this way. And what's you who say, but be a Bruno, and what's your building national consensus? You enjoy politics, no party A, party B. Say party A, na was no party B. Who say, oh, yeah, the man fata provide solutions. Let us see. Say, what the solutions need go akono. Say, oh, you swear, Ghana for will take the person or the party on, but not usual rhetorics. And then NPP say, and then NDC say, and I say. I don't know why Obeni. I know why Dabida and no why ever you could see baby flood issue here back me say me brother yeah or back some mining companies he be Newmont Kwame he wrote something to me that me say what and indeed and say if faces any because we are not ready and because we don't want to make improvement. We don't want to like look for solutions. I never boy a ho near ye a ho free sa or yeni no how you. It is because of that. Could it be that their remedial procedures, solutions, strategies, etc. are all but empty? Routine talks and laydowns, but with no impact. How long Ghana? We talk about constructing proper drainage, but we don't prohibit building in rain runoff. We talk proper sanitation, yet perpetrators are left unpunished. The system does not just work. And I say, tell me, it's a natural disaster, and I'll ask you why houses and other infrastructure are built in waterways. Who sold those lands? What happened to afforestation? What happened to urban planning? What is the job of town and country planning? The big question. Why does metro and municipal assemblies exist? What is their work? How do we process our waste? Simple question no this year. And Kwame, the name say yeah how to be specific. Kwame, that's it. Ade.
OCP Ghana say OCP fertilizer na repair make count for the amount. Biakasa maso mahwe na magiadi say fertilizer de ba MPK na OCP fertilizer OCP 15 ana repair make count for the amount. Utifie ya day season ya drew adena wafu no o ya na amon fertilizer papa OCP fertilizer na no pe ya jatum o de bono bayana eye kama sodoso da fe mu nso ya kama enye de wo ye wia na fe mu red gold green as a Ghana flag and rainbow colors. Why not OCP fertilizer? Mo dua vegetables atoso de nya do ntos moko jenne de keka ho mo ya OCP fertilizer 15 ana 10-20-10 so ana ubetimi edi ama cereals emo eburo 15 ana 10-20-10 mo dua legumes no mo ya OCP TSP fertilizer anope ugira ho ye den ko fertilizer shop agrochemical shop nebusa ho asem 0555 909437 0555 909437 0555 199433 na anopay enyomu eninkomo Roman Father Nedro na Father Martins Heba Mr. Father Martins ni Roman Father Nedro no sa ohonam ayo tititi stroke ana chew ohonam etimi yomre ana ohonam tu yo bete ohonam etimi yo bete wo sore class won timi sore sa na ohonam timi tutu ankasa tutu ne nyina wo hia Roman Father Nedro ni bi so also na over pressure, diabetes, chronic diseases. Oh, I don't know how to try Roman for the drone now. Now be as the best medicine for all your sickness. So and a dry yajiatum say a dry a fine etuya diasi 0247919122 0247919122 0552668517 0552668517 Pebi or drugstore, pharmacy shop, any herbal shop bia ubenya bi enso the almighty ayinfumu nyina sciatica expert eye 21st clinic 21st clinic ya clinic a yenim data sayade bia diabetes ulcer just oba bia yo ye bia oba ye doctors a wabene nurses a ya gentitiye ya wo sonographers a wo mu no omu ne twa eye scan no ane ye wo enkofo mu ye biochemist omu ne ye lab ane ye wo nkofo a omu so hode na omu ye omu no ana eye massage ne physio works ni nyina na ye wo mfidi a ye de hwehwe yade mu ane ye wo mfidi a ye de sa yade enti wo ba na aka yade na wo fra OPD wo de OPD ho nurse for no be chobe bia akonya kodu doctor ho a otie wa no se okay we collab ne enhwa ade obekọ na biochemist for no ma ye lab ne kama no mo usade ama akoma doctor se okay we di ko scan ehọ a untwa kwa mu nkoma na ya scan ni ho okay we yam no we da say liver kidney na doctor advice no wa twere dro no de ama na de ko pharmacy shop ye pharmacy ho no udu pharmacy ho na dispensary ho no mba mu onu na fe ya cho said your benom no se wo se ye do ko physio nso a ye do to mpa ne so ne ye di vidie si so vidie ne ye ho adwuma wi a ansa na physio de ne nsa ba digye ba bi entiri ne wo se hihye ye ento de sciatica se ya de a se osisi akitwa besi una ase enu ye friend sciatica na de enti on frɛ 21st clinic sciatica expert ni na ya de ne ye hu ne foriba na ne brofu din kura nim ye na ye research un se o sciatica nerves no o ni sisi achiba sa area no your friend no area of pain eba onum sa o sciatica nerves ni mu twetwem eno che se ya de kasie bi ba simti che se ya de kasie bi ba enti so ano ntem edo na ya gimu ntete ayem hwehwemu di nuwa ba edi mfidi aka ho a kakran obi wo ho ba ye de gu kam na me ba ya adomo ba na otie doctors na o ye de o so ya fe o bobo volley nyina eye the sciatica expert 21st clinic ye wo over 15 branches wo Ghana ha na no kwasem e wo mu se periodically ekwa amono ne enso koye sciatica hwehwemu esankofo yade sciatica expert ni amfa ama ye kwa ye kan ye yo fra 0249311311 0249311311 sanso na 020540311311 0540311311 die wo mu nie okwa Kumasi a uduru Kumasi Ashanti region ye wo ehwa overseas adabraka ya Sompa TV Sompa FM osrodo mu wofom ye ne Alpha Radio ne ben ho pe oto wo ye de brey oboase ye o cancel quarter Scott Junction ho enkran ye o Tantra Hill Sunyani Teaching Hospital first gate no ye ne ye o Mados abro senim first gate ubon abro sem ye ho na 21st ye wo fom wonum ye be so obefra nan ha ho kra bra fom won ye hwew sanso ne nkransan ye bo tachima ye wo GN Bank dan dadenim o friend numbers ya ay active ay be cho be be na nso akọ na afei o yade ne ya hwehwem ama ne kọ 21st no ye nton na bontene dabi ay clinic on his own tago ya ba mission capsules semen kan chow se be ma de o be ma yemu no ebesi na atimi agina yi a enya o be ma yemu ne se onam woni ma fans na obibia nso nkoyi e wa underground ho erectile misfunctioning potency de mesra me pachaw bo modin a ne petago heba Mr. Nibi na bobo na wo bo na no pay o pia bontia bo se ofie wa ye sere wife ani age na ne ebusa ka bori de de na ne fancy uso because wa ye adwuma ma bibia ko kama anope bo modin ne petago heba Mr. 0243228296 0243228296 na anope mie bi drugstore pharmacy shop ubenya bi RSYD Novigi Studio say wo twa skit ana say wo twa movie video ana wo ye musical video ni nyina ye wo cameras appraisals na ni da ho sa enso so ane o professional camera holders ane videographers ne editors hodum say wo de wanya concept na brayo creative directors wo na yen director na bibia anya kama mawo your state of the art facility hodma ya building ma ye bibia was ye pie so e be bibia kama de amawo sorry companies mu di anniversary dan pese mu stream ya momfrɛ ye beba ba assist mama bibia akọ kama saa enso so na uye program bia na pese ofa ne life a ofrɛ ya ye beba ye on cry malama bia se first kokoko street ahona be hwe Ghana fa na nyina afrɛ ye beba 0574715778 0574715778 and 030394822 kawari arope ma che na empom to say o Mike no adaroma aso green there. Thank you. Bibia you fine.
Jango pardon bibia fine.
Good. Party mu boko.
Oh, jango pardon party mu boko. Just say wa woni mi say the Ghana eko. Say one bob belt ni year. Ngo for the 6 bed and 9. The bi o mo say economy na yi na yi so. Okodwa mam so so okoto ade a okoto ento otwe so a entwe. But all the same onyankopo a onkum ye de na say obehwe so so like yo
okay me that say krobia aropa mache
ayeba you so eburu
na pom to say
yakopo gusu shirame
good
anope you feel things to say measure them ye emwa abrante kabore say
and the ba account
omunya 41 until they are still emza so mo so da ye no opposition am nya da ye se bia mo timani no papa
opposition
e bia no ni mekai no na o classmate bi de o say Kwame yes
o abruche
o kroma
ya ani o say be ni
ana o say I don't because I was on the way. A book yes.
Kwa abruche o. Baba, we teacher ni.
What can you be still abruche? Yes. Yes, we teacher ni. Very brilliant guy.
Yeah.
Because we guys over here
school ni big.
We guys over here with TV, no. We guys over here with TV, so I see them over here with Facebook. And I abruche. The number Kente festival committee at a point. Na Oseni appointed as interim secretary. Oh, very brilliant gentleman.
Ono na ye we mami sa what's about we the true
the true
it's not chemi
oh flyer na no say I say oh my classmate very brilliant.
I say brilliant.
Very brilliant. And
I say what being
or trot with his kind with his boys or just
Timinin de ni akwa ni ebo ni abeng school
intina catch na MCR ni no biso abia o hwe no say
say me mate hwe me o obi oni mi bia ni be
let me bra o so me o betimi abeng
say and then they psychic
me is abeng for coming kabi me ye de go school mental abeng go school bia me di fefuda
okay
my bon crown as if my defense to
get teacher be a defense
me teacher
you actually give your class me na me
teacher ni me try there
that me America say teacher for defense
okay say me no we no crow the irony me name say me nyin become more class 4 na class 2 for me teacher for me trauma there me be call class 5 na me check class 5 there me what class 6 na me check class 4 there yes oh let me tell you
crowd
oh that's it the crowd be okay our colleague to say more class crowd be obiankasa to me
blackboard very peer teaching
even say with Twitter and as teacher kwani hon ma obi e dedicating mo e ko chere so any no
and the secondary school o ma introduce on friend peer teaching aya no mu hu say o cry your bad time na won obedi nkomo a utranye ya the oben no na downfall ene ne di nkomo a fon nkomo no che de na maame
ya
same as teacher ni a o kira de o ka da kra 1 + 1 ye 3 na akra me 2 ni maame ka se 2 ko ndadi wo
teacher aka no
sasa we BC Canada then time na mo nhwe mo teacher si yi no nti se teachers ni ko class a say ade we no mo say edi so that was what they were doing until say now among take teachers any those workers no seriously so they did that to tell them say bit me a politics in Kodano into mo madwen bro mo so that is why and there who say Canada teachers AD omunya proper
very bad approach
but issue no say issue no say approach a would be geni would be nyawo dia open so I just say anka osha sanka Ghana law in labor law nanka sasa osha anka ya essential workers bisa sanka ni kwanse yeko say you call strike but embrano so be wo hono ma kire say we essential worker you will waste bia obetimi afa e dey strike say bia we employer waka sama chron say ABC na mo hia dey mo adwuma yie e na mo hia DDC ni say na say employer no ontie mu a and the mo man warning 1 2 third one obetimi akọ industrial strike say dey be ya we employer no na dwen beba wo so say nia wo hia no e bia a life saving in ma wo hia nti na o say na dwen e den e ba wo so
yeah that is true Tina about say mama because that time there Eric for me or say myself actually na Mishak so ho oh na afei omuye ya na we will A we will B we will C ano mu yi nyina na performing the D class all the brilliant students in na o my class baako ni ewo enti one dey na hit wo pa
said the things obi abi
na hit wo pa and your batch and you try papa
okay Ose is a very brilliant gentleman. I must admit.
Very humble.
But you know, say so to say we say oh. Na say, because you may be more. Oh baby, you may. But you don't can be for no. But the entire life of course screaming journalism crown. Who can tell me say where you best for? Na men ka ho. Na say school. O da bin tie. School me wo. Teacher ni. I don't be go university. O go orientation say university degrees are awarded. They are not.
Yeah. And the chance like a bitch.
Obi akombe when good grades say we school. I don't know o go journalism school no. Aduma and titien be bro ho fa ne ha.
Yeah. Oh yes, sir. Me lecture back o ka che say o chewade na onti ase no aka che say oko field abetias. Exactly.
And that is what it is. And let me tell you radio bi no ka say na yanchire entrepreneur as a major course we invest.
Also much. Say the schools.
I was say there be invest course be okra na a good but we need accreditation. But you write it as part of what this year no over through exams and they don't be the day so we na say be nipa 1,000 credit me ko year juma it impact the society.
Probably I na say them dey che
no one we be you be on here. Forestry region district manager woni odbiase Saturday twemi ofrikonongo krobi ese konongo park so se konongo atwere so se de konongo area wa akoye bi ofi wakwaba man around by 58 59 oba tekrita bi munato kan so akunu
ato ne kan so
akunu kan kwam yesi I'm telling you, so devastating. Me are very close to forestry cycles and the way ne papa nyi asante and I'm so from Asante. Oh, so virtually, the not to say Adamfo Precope. No, my you, Mr. Broka. Man, me say, why you must sack a year or two there about to be free. Or coffee, I could hear a bush of a year, I could touch a bar. Or not to grow a container of crab, darling. I'm a container, no, a ye, no, a canna. Sarah 4 BA and the crocodile beside and then latest in the crocodile old type crano. A more half known on the crocodile. That is same possible free and can be a debating yet. So heartbreaking. Not many they make can say, yes, sir, I buy penny for no, I buy any movie. May you share the baby yeah, went to me and yet. Oh, again now. Your problem, your politics of equalization. Yeah. When it me, we went it to me into Kumasi and cry. Mampani John, John Ajakunku for a child, and to faces a baby aba, and a fibia baby a year 20 kilometers, and think I could afford the bedi, even 10 kilometers, crack and I could afford the bedi 8 years, and go, or to me, your friend say 80 kilometers, and got your mama one, and late president Moses be 10 and go see 80, and Casabli Kumasan crack a year, purely 100% as part.
Thank you.
Into my brother 7 July no ben na ochuda
7 July
brother Mr. Boka, very pathetic situation.
yen ko flood nim na manfo bebre ebo the former vice president Abaso Kasebia or kind say flooding a national problem na yenina yemra together, we should come together na yen solve it yen ko sanse no de beto ha manfo ka say these are some of comments I hear say na no pay okay politics of equalization ana we anya na wona ayi say na be say no emfa so bia ma flooding esi minority atwokrataba eke kan assembly the sitting government abrankofu as it stands now number now rise from 9 to 12. Then we are doing politics out of this. The vice president comes in, the former vice president comes in. No say yena yemra emum we nyama nyosem a national issue. And mebene osi who this is a national issue, this is politics. We should come together and solve some of these things. Kabore also mebaho because that is coming from your leader.
Yes, boss. Besama good morning biu. Na machia Sompa TV atifo yina. Na machia me boss the incoming national nasara organizer Alhaji Salim Bamba.
Oh, Alhaji Bamba.
Salim Bamba na machia miankasa minia Mustafa Kabore. Elias Carnation. Ono so bafo. Sene West minia no.
Hey. Oh, yeah. Wow.
So on bafo Sene West.
Very fantastic
constituency chairman.
Very fantastic.
Yeah. So unim na benia.
Very fantastic.
Obika sembia itieno.
Very fantastic.
Make sure you are closer to him before
negotiation.
Enye easy.
Ebeboa Sene West.
Yes. Boss, unim bibi.
Me international say akoy na adwemudo.
Enye easy. Na machia Sene West student omo you stayed.
Okay. From
omo president Otini to the last person. Na no omo ye omo program kama ye ko hono. Boss, condition as a moka say obaka ade betie because in a MPBA ya to abama no away NDC ni 16 years ni so ko 4 terms. Ukọ Kwame dance one say ukubisa ne say o maw impuntu njuma ono nkasa as MP wotimi lobby e di ba hono because oni Dominic Napari Sene East so one first na Sene ne one
akoya
eno muchi mu Sene West and East inti ye na West inti from a table e di ba Kwame dance one no to Chami Chrome honum na the end of Sene West and I woko fa free basa e di ko kejijia eno so na ye Sene East inti could you imagine say MPA oni Dominic Napari call parliament the same year that year ending that a term ending His Excellency John Dramani Mama ne woso no onu etimi lobby ye enya kwan e mo mbehye say o mbehye e kwan na se from Kwame Danso to Kijiji o ma jai from a table
ahoso na enya kura
hoso na
very risky
very good
hoye western
Sene West nti a table amantin nti anka a table amantin hono mu kompo na oye kodu Kwame Danso a then you continue from Kwame Danso to KJG. But do you know say ono etim Dominic Napari Sene East etim lobby enya kwan aprekwa ye MP no ubisa ne say mpuntu djuma ben na odi ba Kwame Danso baka say wasi sama heart ewo obaka say wasi sama heart Kwame Danso hospital
me pesi e bekom because me I have problem with that.
See, do you know something? One thing, last thing to move on. Unim osa eko jina SDA asore dan mu e promise o mo say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say Kwame Danso for 8 vote to emano man is about power. That is no fourth term which is 16 years first minister sir His Excellency John Dramani Mahama bobo midi no or didn't baka ho me patron there me ne okasai even board now mo di ni sim kwa what me I done board chair we just a member nti eno na eno de yemfa no ntu nchen ye ko Accra incident one say boss they be make say you leader and a normal person anami boa
exactly
until leaders are born okay so say compare Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, it is uncomparable. You can't compare them.
Comparison.
That's what I'm saying. My main can His Excellency Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia was saying this morning my thoughts and prayers are with the thousands of our people affected by the floods My deepest sympathies to those who have lost their loved ones, properties, and those who have been forced out of their homes. I urge citizens to comply with all directives issued by the government and to cooperate fully with institutions mandated to address the situation. I also urge the emergency services and all relevant authorities to do everything possible to reach those in need and assist them. We will get through this difficult time by caring for one another. May God bless our homeland Ghana. These are the things that His Excellency, the incoming President 2028, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia Edituja. Boss, issue na aba. And I hear him say, flood. Won't me control flood. Ubetimi control flood. Only say, ebia ensuo na airton ebia nye nsuo a eye kese la say poor no enye heavy. Unye nyankopon na meboa. Nti how can you control rainfall? Hwe asema Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia be kan ye no. O kire say we president owoti mama obia wa Ghana hanomo na ade kawa e ono na ka nti all this comment we ediba out no, he didn't sit aloof. He further went there with his delegation to go and see what and how people are going through, how they are faring. This is called a true leader. Obo ni videos are oninam washen papa oninam hwe ama amanfo obo amanfo krompoma say bia say say methods bi on ma o de be rescue amanfo bi krampo no much, because if you me who some video bi recently GBC Ghana Broadcasting Corporation no mo ye no interview mo ye man be interview kwan na mo sha se ebiem from Accra to Cape Coast no sa gata na mo ye no gata na mo biem mo so mo won fit bi mo biem anka mo ye, but ya no ba ye no mo se sa gata na mo biem kese na kese do nti o makulusu nti amase nsuo ni ba wa se nsuo na honde se ba enti mi enflow enfa gata na o makulusu no nti ya wo se nsuo ne ebufa so. So he came to show that he is a statesman. Nti ono no enam ensuo no mu eboa amanfo a na His Excellency Ankasa, the President of the Republic of Ghana. Amount for a helicopter, a dia rescue mo ho ewo nsuo no helicopter no de nam nsuo no de nam no hwe o de nam no hwe enso okokro bia anka flood we eba say that helicopters na ko mo de rescue so mo de nam o mo hwe amount for hwe won say kiosk bi efa kwara kitikiti bi na de ne ko ngi sanga helicopter ho no ma sa helicopter His Excellency John Dramani Mahama won nam mo a wo de hwe anka people can use that same helicopter to go and rescue those people in need. So this is the difference. Mahama eka sembi was say President Akufo-Addo ni MPP abronti enso krampo ento Ghana. Na be pato Akufo-Addo no MPP ye na control enso to Ghana na. Was that can say was say MPP because of your lack of enyoma ye de beto akwan mu nti no enso kakra to a na Accra e flood. But His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na UFI June 3rd, 2015, Accra Circle. And so same in so etoye. Am amount for 154 a year. Am amount for 154 a prior. Am amount for more circle a loss of property worth of 1.63 million Ghana cedi. But did you see say MPP their politics? No, because ye nim say a problem I say national issue. I was say anka ye na ye the politics na ye de to nchen na ye de na yemfa ayi yemfa yenka humbom na yemfa solve that problem. Again, Mahama say Minister for Sanitation na ewo Ghana no wo humfa so bia eye nti ono ba obobo ikoto anaso obo shut down that Minister for Sanitation no they are cause local government ministers ase. Say the local Minister for Local Governance on the bed ebehwe aye sa nyoma na adwuma nti omba you can zoom lion on be contract na end no mo ye den oman extend contract no and na me ni we nim say eye zoom lion and aye ballers ni say ye waste product no omo ye den omo di hudwuma edemaye nti say ande amini we eti hanma wa zoom lion na wo see omo na edi sa baller ne ho nyoma ne maye na wo abeka chome say omo contract no wo say extend contract what minute omo contract no It's a ballers and actual quiet, and that many call ballers and in nanam drainage honoma omuntimi and so on. Do you know something? They be I say Samika say President way what the amount for like what disappointing Ghanaians big time obi in say boss who say Mahama His Excellency appointee anti-flood task force in March 2025. Standobe when they are chairman say omo dey be flood issue say dey be Accra flood NCBO nti me bo mu di akere Standobe on dey omo chairman o say Marietta Brew on dey omo secretary Ahmed Ibrahim the local government minister also eka ho bi ono na Mahama say sa minister for sanitation or the question ase no ono eka ho bi ena Kenneth Ajay Minister for West and Housing, Onosu Ekahubi. And Teddy Adi, on the Deputy NADMO, Director General, Onosu Ekabi, and DCOP Abdulrazak Osman, Onosu Ekahubi, on the National Security Coordinator, or coordinating. Mahama Timi, yes, our task force now. So, Monche said the Bayer Accra flooding issue, Mokamu, Ebeko, Nelson up to there. Mama say, this flood now as a result of indiscipline. Amount for indiscipline. Now, on himself, you
can you take that out?
His Excellency John Darman Mama
say a result of indiscipline.
No, that's what he said.
If you've seen, now me say ube to me a you know frame because we've seen videos and go for empty.
Yes,
relax into a gutters.
Yes.
No matter how we engineer our gutters and our streaming bands, if you are not disciplined,
so that is what he said.
So it is wrong. It's not wrong.
I am not condemning. No. I never condemn it. It is true. What he said is true. Because even where I stay, where I live, who say, "Obey to have a baller." Since social say talk a cry, no the baller who got. How do you have to do that? So that are some of the indiscipline act. Inti say aban be so. That's obi ASA indiscipline act. When I say the flood baby. How do you then criticize the person say nipa negligent? Inti na master flood nesi. That is my question. One. Are you getting my point of view?
I mean your point of view, but Kabore.
I am not saying what you said now.
But Obi so be catch up say. Rainfalls are determined by the quantity or the quantum of rains.
Yes.
So open say comparative analysis media. Then to be fair to both things, comparative analysis and we quantify the measure or the quantum of a rains.
Okay.
Can we speak say the previous one in so toy no do and then so that we can get a proper.
So do you know something? So the question was a good question. Inti Anka His Excellency John Dramani Manaka said that it is a question man because or catch MPP for say because of a wicked inti Tio was he wicked inti no in so crumple and to Ghana. Tia some cow. This is not if Anka sign someone in Anka we will not be sitting here and be discussing this. Am I clear?
We will still be discussing.
No, Ankamin Kotine say this is what he said when he was in opposition. Or see, so Omoba, that's in so compo air shall say etoa. They will be dredging the gutters and then allow the water to flow.
About wrap up.
You know something? They are saying say NBC for say Yakwa World Bank akwaji 350 million.
Yeah.
Be say the babe ye some dredging. Any so many things. True, but the money, that 350 million US dollars didn't come at once, and I need na kwa mbao. Me try man phone because people are having some misconception. Say MPP agojis kabi adina sikana odidi yano want me afa nye juma eninti na ma sa flooding we koso enya no kro bi obeka sa macho bi enya no kre. Yes, we want World Bank firstly we went and requested for 200 million US dollars. So what you say? In the 200 million US dollars, no, they approved. Parliament approved it. And my World Bank so approved say such kind of the bamai, isn't it? And this such kind of World Bank approved so the bamai no. So 200 million US dollars ni nambao. 127 to 130 million and about first. And a Parliament esa call back say World Bank ebe expect project na no. Nti after the inspections they saw say oh sika na omode ema Ghana for say yemfa nye sa issue no I said Ghana for e de ye aduma na omoka se omudi sika ne be ye and for that matter $150 million that is early 2024 yes akwa say almost approve say they be $350 million. So I am telling people listening to Sompa say such kind of NDC for na mamoka say e ko $350 million there na say e de ba betete water na so enya na kure 120 and 127 and by 127 na e ba no kwapo no omo current minister for housing e ba ka say he was Theo only no quote na make kind of boss make kind of quote was the minister for works and housing and water resources Kenneth Albert Ajay has disclosed that the Greater Accra Resilient and Integrated Development, that is GARID projects, expected to be completed by December 2027 as part of the effort to address the persistent flooding in the capital, particularly within the Odo River and its basin. In this kind of equity, he Nani Aji say some project na sikano mokwaji ye say omudi ye project no sikano omudi ye project na mpana obia nkotra bibia nka say bia sikano omu diskano. Now do you know something? Enye only Odo River nkwapo na omudi sa sikano edu ye was some other places Odo River no sikano omudi ye to the extent say omu say ye bibi kwapo say ebia say enso eba beto no in that money say enso eba beto say enso no poor na say o ka kire me say enso ni e quantum airport no say san na ebeba o mbeti mbekire say this is a quantum of rain na ebeto nti obia enfri the bia honom eye prone to flooding. So
with the GARID project 350 million,
yes,
out of it they disbursed. There's difference between the money coming and disbursing it.
Yes,
they've disbursed $130 million specifically on flooding. And it's our 130 no. That was where people were asking accountability. Say 130 million cedis. A day in a money. So
that is what I'm showing you. Odo River dredging. You shall see dredging. A hormone minister no eco inspecting. I will say sa nneoma na omoye Odo River no kwampo nice into by 2027 he is expected say be complete and Nima Paloma drain construction me sure the $130 million eba amode o mo bi nkwatra bibia nka se bia o mo fa because these people are only feeding on propaganda, telling people what is not true. Nima Paloma drain construction ubetima check in na semeboa oko Ministry of Finance on my website. That's how call Abia City News. Any Ghana web they make any Obenya and Kaneshi storm drains. And also Omudi atomic detention pond. And also Omudi and bridge reconstruction. So bridge reconstruction. Ombeche Obibia ni now this abuso kai baku ewo hono moye. And adomi
you have elapsed your time. And
adomi midi manu and I say flood early warning symptoms. Nina and a solid waste upgrade. Nina that $130 million now by first. Those are the things that we were using the money to do.
All right.
So I say inti say
your point is well made. My signal says you have used an extra time.
I can say 18 minutes. Some can say 18 minutes. Who started 8:51? 8:51 last time. Manuko TV.
So I spend 20 minutes. So Kabore wo me ho enti de be dia no krobia wo me ho enti se oyusu 18 so be yusu 18 ni bi wo me ho so maba so
no problem me fa kwanya we so me nche original chairman anakwasi na me nche honorable Dr. Rico Poko agriculture minister MPP for Edubabia. I feel so sad that at one point in my life, let me try say my MPP because my MPP na branti we one MPP. Me di MPP mu ya fro kuo bi tititi kuo MPP panyin bi anim. Na friend Danko Buzia Dombo Club. Na ehia okay wo methodist school mu. Maybe MPP maybe a Maui, no I can tell MPP, and I've been maybe all primary school.
Then they encourage.
Oh, I don't hear. Maybe we actually the way MPP lose everything and they don't speak to realities. That is what I am so sad. So these the parties sometimes those days we fought for. Naka ni huskani ho yetimi letters na menante free sabdu no sada me ko na me youth organizer me na be organize be secretary me na menante satam na honorable Samsike Daminya Samson Kebuafu you know SK Buafu there be papa no ye minister na menante free kewo ekwa dan kai don ko fodo fie yen and Sabre know the commitment. If Dr. Baumia, whom I respect so much, me and Kasame naturally, if Obehu say flooding, MPP they are politics, NDC they are politics. Now the reality is done on us. Say you na be share as on mine, na ya tenase, na you na ya kabum, na nunti. Wasa ne mpaboa na musuom ehwe nipa omo ho atotwoma na ene ekaboro fi se onani minority fo ano mo ye 135 no maka 80 say 82 na still ankofo ntimi reason ehu se no yen strategize yakwanya ye be force be yamanyo sem ye increase your numbers when you leader of your party is speaking as a true statesman.
But you can't insult us. Or you have to say you don't reason.
Oh, the reason here subjective. How you look at it? How you look at it?
Go on.
Please, when you were speaking like 80 minutes, I kept quiet, and you are not making anything good. So allow me. Me say, maintenance. You need minority to ha. You check my own to mokotna a conflict visa country form so. You can't reason why are you so offended about this. It's subjective. It depends on how you look at it. Now, minority for the statement about, and now Dr. Baumia as a leader of the party seeking for political power. If it's a baby, you know, you can't say and we are forced on mine. Now you from Pesa Adiwe a Pumasibre. Now Okiri and Nipa Bonabasono Kabore and his people. About Tumutini, I said, Dr. Baumia can, Papa no Samuel, and your company, John Draman Mama. After all, over 4 years, and 24 years, New Year, obey a day, Obako. Until Yakano, and you're gonna phone a bit decided. Miriam, and now what is studio, ha? And you could draw justify Sika World Bank the buyer, necessarily another password can go in them.
These are allegations.
Allegations, but what's allegations? What is allegation? In a Ghana laws, who is here with them, and Portugal.
And but it says Ghana Sikane or Nusikadi, court to Bianca.
And I say, according to OSP, say, on your case, 10 hours the counting machines went to carry Scarrock far away. What you should court to know? What you should court to know? And maneuver your way through to justify the idea why you believe your way. Yantikroma and no more break quarter, a done, and see announce as a dear expose by Nina Hudi. And to do a beer, Mamma may have a court to no one will be. Yes, you will answer what Jenny. About what they can say. Number 2. Sasi Kanwa, ebedi MPP for some and then Neku Fordo. His Excellency, 8 years, we are seeing what we are seeing. Forget about what a minister or whoever said. If indeed, said you might me here and can hear we in the TV screen, our container, cars, and nipa, and more. Well, this was a death to the crowd rising from 9 to 12. And I tell you, in the coming weeks, about 20. Because the party be will show them as now rescue mission quentin woman or be and this is what you bequeathed to this nation. Now the young people have the justification to sit on TV like Menekabority and justify now suddenly about 1 year 6 months they are apportioning blame on John Dramani Mahama and minority led by Fanyumakin or Gurum Pipito. I can tell you, and that's what market. Everybody, Abamba been too. So Sabra na me minority na me GD Ghana no. Now me play on the sentiments of the people. But be any paneka corner and I'm media chileko. So obviously you get attention of the people. Any play you know, as a minority leader, issue a statement to express where you have a condolence to the families or this year. Now, if you want to be a nipa and show a four what dining in a go on be did your mamma them? Said your mamma helicopter. Is it the first time this is happening in Ghana? Baby, your mamma helicopter more. Who could do you know? Obey you or Bacasach or mine or Dr. Baumian from Obetimako. Baby, fly or helicopter munti, or bet me at the aerial view of the situation firsthand. Akano, baby, was a she a tray and she Dr. Baumian and Toko. Baby, and she a pretty horn. I am not saying so on your shay. Minano, a true statesman home. Minia, on my penica, some you. Or some back a climate change. I'm at the quantum of rains eba ene and even Ghana Meteorological Agency akasa issue statement to say even if you otinaya war through to Sunday in sia ebe toro ebi anu be dia chain the Ade to 7 hours as 8 hours one crying no it tells you say and early one is way back then we conscientize ourselves, we prepare our minds, we consider where we want to go at what point in time and when we are expected to return because in soon of late into a canyon so climate but also you say and can not and crying na enkran na nipa dom no na nipa no no so ne but then the mind you sikani bia nya sika wo kumasem po e wo sunya ne wo srem wo ba bia wi a opese ofofo ko nya ba bi won kran na wo yedai okosi the investment to because that is seat of government and that the bia head office e wo Ghana bia ko wie a ko wie nkran na boa even koko board kra head office eni nkran and grass as be na wa ye koko enti omampanyin suggest okay say yebo obon tomo ba mensia kra obekan say ebredu say oman ye ma ya dwene ye think outside the box na ye hwe say ye betetere another city even say Bianca Ghana Greater Accra na ye capital
the Lagos ko Abuja
exactly ye betimi aye bi sa so that investors eba no any investment akese na be start up sisi dan ni bi ye dai e wo ho o wi no ka say enye na pensu 4 years and obetumi aye sa adwuma no a long term vision and was said through National Development Planning Commission e be hwe sa akwanye be faso ye o wi no ka climate ni sa ye be hwe city fufu aka ho no o wi no ka say eye human attitude and e kosa be patro ball ya ye TV ya etwiko bebrebe ya e be so ka say the cars load sa balls ya e be me the cars be 100 load kro bi be sa kan su nim be patro John Dramani Mahama and a coaching ball at the goose in mana the patro obi akase ba omiani MP before and a coaching ball at the goose in mana this is human attitude that was yes na me so be ba ko a obi training radio mu kakra apostle guy bi na say mu so team studio ha no ka say enipa bi wo ha e bia mo other shows oba be ka say enipa bi wo ha o ye nipa but the nipa adwin na odwene say nipa adwin pa na odwene ya esi dan ni so ta otimi tambola wo fie no ko hwe agurusu knowing very well say kwa ekoro e wo stop gab wo ba bia ekoye de ekotoku etokotoku a na nsuo no ta entimi fa drinks nim one other thing na mesmo and say you come engineers be so abro some of our engineers are almost engineers abro in the sense that when you say e babia sloping free balance you ne ba no by and by biano and so much me aba mu kese and instead so be all your drains and other mental gutters na the otifia temase all your gutters e be odi bia be 5-inch 5-inch fence obey 5-inch gutter no and now drains no atase na odi 2-inch concrete akwa ye drain no and so no twa na ebuafa so meanwhile so obie oye gutter no kese and nsuo dodo na timi efam a enka emfa ne ya ACA ensi
wabomu ne chewado usika na be chew
find me chew say one say ana yewie enokra yenko enobisi nsuo obisi edan ewo nsuo ya me afododo na no I blame the district municipal metropolitan assembly engineers. Why MC ya wachwono ontimi na djuma do so se ontimi konam ntokuru biam engine akọ municipal engineering office na district engineer office bia enye 1 or 2 people na wo ya wo mpo mu enforce make sure say edan na wusi no wo permit uni permit e usinsuom enye nsuom eye wetland enye wetland eye isi river bank ya wasankofoni na assembly hall mo yo yet obakorobisi obi filinsuom even enempo aye kasai hwe I'm a be example. Ofri ejoso na woko Anita Hotel Junction. One was Afrobino. What land been at the honor? Go there today, someone is failing. What said that failing you what said the old you and teachers were directing the area now for any project. But ensure a year not the Ojeba be being to me stopping. Hurricane the ensure to America. A bubble semusia, not assassinate level. A boy my partner assassinate level. This is the situation we find ourselves. And to say idea produce permit. Okoya na or the BBS every come engineer. Was a quack home. And to those that show stop work produce permit by the Biaco than the day. And to me, the American say. And you ma bay, menu man panini, and then on my panida dabby chile, Dr. Baumia, you Ramahama name Ghana to Tumpen for air can be say, but be a Bruno. Yet the number be of 2 politics, near politics of equalization. Say, the okay. So by ye now so the morning I you say, ye can be being say district assemblies no, municipal and district engineers no, ye can be being civil engineers no, ye found no crow and casantre, ye law enforcement agencies no, and can no crisis will be seen that will shima, ye can change the who die, no one ya, and can be at the air cost we NC, and the young can cry. What about the sheer farmer 4 months so? I said, dear, and said that who's a man Nazakai, Central Regional NADMO Director. I can say a nipper over 2,000. If properties of Bubudia, they are displaced. How many baby omoda? Again, a nipper Makumako, many of the nipper Makumako and watching the tea. And a central region the last week, a CA almost washed Omunqua. I'll send the home commodia Kituebi, a sinclair and the Eka, and the Meme Papacrum, and the sacro from a manchim, musing share Yabafida, and the Galam Sainti, and shoot me Yabba fear of the farmer for your mother.
I say thank you. If you are saying this is if you are saying this, I am disappointed in you more since MPP the flooding is there. So okay, Boama Figaro. Hi, I'm DJ Ketikera of Sankor Infantim. Please, you do a fantastic, great job. Keep it up, good work. Okay, Emil Smith, the DJ Padimore from Kumasi, so MPP party members should stop fighting themselves. What MPP needs to capture political power is unity. Violence doesn't. We may disagree to agree. Greetings to lawyer Nichani Guso Kama. NDC pa waiting they worry them. MPP they go on expose them all. Oyibo Boating. Engineers at the various assemblies should be questioned why permits are issued to people to build in water-prone areas. This is one of the cause of the excessive flooding in cities.
Exactly.
Dr. Lawyer Danapia, Achumanwa Beja South Income Chairman, teacher constitution. So the NDC government and its supporters are still bringing up the MPP when things go wrong. When things go right, it's Aban Papa Abba. When things go wrong, it's the MPP's fault. The flooding in Greater Accra has exposed JDM and his resetting agenda, and the propaganda is getting out of hand. By regards to Honorable Sampai, message in the also. Yes, sir.
Small about Abi Bistro.
Unfortunately,
Mini Kakrabi Bistro, I mean, Uncle Postro. One miss me brother penny or Casano, only age. But I say, Tamo Musha is so moody and people to Nami Akora, Niankora. Mimi Nakoda. Me pese what I say. So when you're going to me with 5 years, I am telling him if you want, we can do that comparison. Okay, that and second me, but no, second me say. I'm
apologizing. That's
So secondary. Now, or car about Cecilia the part issue. I did not say the person was in court. Ghana, your lawyer see, no one is guilty until proven guilty by court of what competent jurisdiction. In this community, Cecilia the part issue be or more fun and court from Kojo Muska. Okay. Now, yeah,
that's it. That's it. And I'm more time because this is national issue. 0548931931 0554931931. Hello, good morning.
Ilya.
Yes, sir.
That's right. Masu, I'm trying to get the chairman, so maintain chairman. Maman Chairman, then cook canono. When you say, okay, for you, Commonsoa, honorable now, Commonso, why, PM, 3 years in ye, and the HFO board, my party, young fan and co, vice chairman, and Commonso cinema, Fruku. The many alien consul youth organizer of someone too. Or youth organizer of someone. No, many a Nema Ecoson, this thing, and say, you are Mahama Mabua. Mabua. Now, Mahama, you are Mahama catch a Ghana for say. It's a fairness, you look at ability, a crowd, maybe no, Tamano opposition. Was here, you are Mampany, and now do not want to work with non bar, or the never go Krama. Kind of Sati minister no kwa no so big guno sai you big guno and now go like say local government asia you na can see that say insure papa ne the canoe pa the name rescue amanfo insure to na abo dan so because you saying the bia man we the time bia yenya dey see that Ghana ha
may I say thank you. Hello, good morning.
Morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
Well, we never about good. Good. Afanka kaula sidi anka bibia boko so amamo boninti ofa.
Mami tie
wa twe no yo hungika. Afa nema nyawo. Afa chama jina de no ko papia. The next Ashanti regional chairman oti ono pa din yanko ponchira no so na ye. Lawyer Chuchi Ashanti regional assistant secretary papa and the neighbor and now love for you so. Richard Nyako, first vice chairman, Papa Power of fire the neighbor, and of fire Omutio din for we never work. I bet you Papa Maya 2028. Over NDC maybe Elmofeno say of watch it. I don't be a no attacker. Was it or quite a car? Wouldn't any more home, wouldn't a chair a home. Papa wait and woman. Upon the president, dear, and you know, ABC, Yankee, Dimpany, Samota, and they see. What is going on? Tell Kofi was here because Mahama Tami is so tall and Uton is so tall. Offer you must say, Yati Dimpany Senda, then a mini of Miaka and say, it's what Toy and Crawford and Clara. I just see the canoe and a fat says to Mokoi in Crawford. Of Papa will clearly be glad to let Uncle Paul send in so. Only God knows if Papa will fire or the baby company because he was never meant to be president. Papa, no, I say you may be actually a so to one or for a so form, not a point and playing more, or for playing Eddie William. I see what they say. One for beer, one for oh, beer. Only may I say, hello, good morning. Okay, I want to say, Papa, for Eti mama se kusubu achiasi mokai se John Mahama udine nima ehu waizi timakazo udine nima ehu udine chiehu mama wati ya se na no kwa so HSA obi ensua pa manfo enda nsu eyi ya manfo Ghana kasa esinsenim na wo sasre wo na deni ye Ghana ha se yiwa ekufado de plane eko eba oti plane mu wo bali joso buye so enti no ade de You were Mahama on the Nanyazokwa, Bakono Kao, what I say, and the Ehu Ghana for, say already on the president, Monamoto, Bamamo, because all in the power sanitation minister, and I say, I will see another one. Now, a bola seminal. Who will be you? Now, before the Parabasha 9, as you see over into a fighting with Miss who will Ghana have a question that. A fisherman led Yako more Yina, or modern lemon swing every summer for. And look to that the tea almost any paper for you. It didn't see now who calls some Mahama calls some.
Better I say. Thank you. You may on your birthdays in time. Now, remember now some sports for ba. Okay, happy 66th birthday to Ade Nana Apia from your daughter Nana Echa Apia. Sir, yes, I say, or no, do basa see so uncle so anton condemn. No more pomoding and who deans womb. I don't pay yes, say, I miss so many shadow, and ye can say amount. Na Yamin from Fradum Quadum, Nana chance or do, or yes, so and no more wodapa. Happy birthday to you, say. And happy birthday to Papa Yao. Papa next door. Happy glorious birthday to you, bro. Nyame fra dumu kwa dumu nyame shaw no nyo kese. Nyame mo akuma so ade nyina embrem akuma so ade papa na nyame ma ne mrem. May God order your path. Happy glorious birthday to you, Nana. Enjoy your day, Papa Yao. May God bless you. And happy birthday to Desmond Buedia. When he say I'm sorry. So happy birthday to Jennifer. Jennifer, today is your birthday. Beautiful one. May this day come with all that you aspire for. A pharmacist and CEO of Jenny's Deluxe Laundry Services. Growing up is so important and it is mandatory too. But growing up is emotional and optional too. So what is your choice? May you find peace, light, success, and joy for the rest of your life. God bless you and happy birthday, Jenny. And happy birthday to Desmond Buadi. Desmond Buadi. Today is your birthday, Desmond. Happy birthday. Enjoy this wonderful day. Yes, Desmond. No. Brand new happy birthday. Jamisha no nyo kese. And happy birthday to Georgina Edu. Georgina, today is your birthday. May God bless you and enjoy your day fully from your family. Remember, your family loves you and they are proud of you. Georgina, happy birthday to you. And happy birthday to Hajia. Today is your birthday, Hajia Allah. On your kese. Now on show. Beautiful Hajia, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. And happy birthday to neighbor Bora Jedida. Wait, Jedidia. Jedidia, happy birthday, young champ. Yes, there was your pocket and crying kumino. Jedidia, happy birthday. Jame mama ya penny kese. Kaination to say, mommy and daddy loves you. So yes, continue to be the good boy that you are. You are. Happy birthday, Jedidia. And happy birthday to Victoria Nimako Bresiama. Today is your birthday. May God bless you, Bresiama, popularly known as Nanama at Bokrom Estate. We're free Kache Obi. And Tinanama, happy birthday, beautiful Ama. Enjoy this day. Happy, glorious birthday. And this is Desmond Ousu Ansa Jude. Desmond Ousu Ansa Jude. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you, Desmond. You need a bear penny in Kessie. I'm sorry. My time was wanting. Happy birthday to Hajia Inaya. Hajia Inaya, aka Ajua Chelsea at Inche from Malik, Adam, and I, Mita, all at schoolboy company Inche. It's Mita, any Adam, any Malik, say, nay, you are would almost say Allah. So sure, no, you can say, happy birthday, Hajia. You are special. Happy birthday, Elizabeth. Elizabeth, today is your birthday, beautiful one. Happy birthday. And remember, today is a special day. So enjoy yourself and God is with you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to Oman Hene, chemistry teacher at Presbyterian Senior High School. That's from your student Andrews Osei. So say Andrew, say you are such a wonderful teacher, a wonderful tutor, and may God bless you even as you celebrate this wonderful day. Happy birthday, sir. And happy birthday to Erama Nyako. Erama, today is your birthday. Mami Nyako, happy birthday to you. Otumfo Nyako Ponsha no nyo kese. On from free adumu enkwa adumu. And ewa wode Erama Nyako. Enjoy this wonderful day from Ulysses. And happy birthday to Ella Smith. Today is your birthday, beautiful Ella. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day with the blessings of God. Happy birthday, Ella. And happy birthday to Mrs. Monica A.F. Boating. Mrs. Akosia Frema Boating Monica. Mrs. Jamisha no nyo kese. Nyamemwa pomde no man kwa tente. Na yawa wode happy birthday. On that note, the other so many na esiha na sports fire ready to serve us. Amber, the power man himself. On a work jinaha. Prince jinaha. Na fei inkumsa the heart man. Temodu inkumsa jinamu. Afenso my wisdom. Ansu jinamu. Na ene work ashempabwa titanium placenta.